In the next question, question 4.13, we've been asked to figure out what the startup year was for these companies. If you go to the manufacturer sheet, there are all the companies, and there are the startup years. So essentially, Nest should return a 2010 here, because that's the year they started. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we have sorted this column alphabetically. So I'm going to sort and filter A to Z. Do I want to expand the selection? Definitely, because I want the dates to be sorted as well. Okay. Now we need to figure out what the year starting is. So again, I'm going to do it differently. Equals V lookup. What am I looking up? I'm looking for the word nest. Please make sure there's a comma after that. Where? Table array. Where am I going to find the values? On the manufacturer sheet. Remember, my lookup column is also the first column here, and it is sorted alphabetically. Comma. What do I want back? I want the date back, so that's the second term, the second column. And I'm going to close it. So this is now 2010, and we can just drag this down. Why is Amazon giving me a problem? Okay, what did we did not do our function F4. We did not lock our range down. So it ran beyond the boundaries of the manufacturer's table. Okay, it's critically important that we lock down. Right. In question 4.14, they want to know how many home, luxury, health, and outdoor item categories there are. So we need to count them. So we're going to use this countIf function equals countIf. Okay. Now it wants to know the range. Where am I looking? Well, I'm looking in all these values here. Okay. And again, let's make sure that we lock this down so that we can use it for all the different categories. So once you've done that, you then put a comma and it says, what is the criteria? Well, home is the criteria. Now, I'm not going to lock home down because I want home to move to the next one. But I don't want the range of these in this column here to change because that's static. I'm counting the whole column. So I have 14 home, and I'm going to drag that down. So you can see here that A24, that's A23, luxury is A24, healthy is A25, and outdoors A26. But the B2 to B21 hasn't changed because I've locked it down, and that is because we're only using these values. We don't want to run out of the table down over here somewhere. 4.15, there's an error here. Simple, there's a spelling mistake, so we're going to just say equals average. Okay, I'm going to double click it. Right, done.